In the journey of life, every moment, every challenge, and every success is an opportunity for growth. Embrace each day with enthusiasm, learn from your experiences, and never stop believing in your potential. You are the author of your story, and with determination, you can write an inspiring and successful chapter. Keep moving forward and make each day count.
May mga ibon. So lagi yan dyan guys. Yung mga ibon na yan. Yan. Siguro maraming isda yan. Mga ano yan, mga uwak. Yan, isang uwak. Yan. So yan yung kanyang ano, view. Sakto pa low tide guys. So hindi pa to yung pinaka low tide nya. Yung pinaka low tide niyan ay yan, makikita na yung buhangin na yan. Medyo puti-puti. Yan, sasagad yan. Kasi pwedeng tawirin yan guys. Ano na yan. Dito tayo. Yan, yan yung isla. Sweet. Ambience.